A dump, even on Ethereum.
Hey?
Even on Ethereum.
For like Dogecoin and Solana.
Oh yeah.
I think Ethereum is chilled.
Ether's parking, bro. It's got Parkinson's, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking at ZZR. Looks so bullish.
Bro, I aped in $500 when you sent me that, bro. When I saw the thing, bro.
Yeah, Zero looks sick.
Bro, I had a little cheeky bag of ENS, bro. Things were ripping.
Oh really? Yeah. ENS. Let's see what happens.
Siapa? Sujen. Itu kasih aku. Ya lu telepon dia, aku mau.
Hi guys.
Hello, how's it going?
Hello.
Hello.
Yo.
Yo.
I never used StreamYard before.
Yeah, me too.
It's quite nice because I think everyone can share their screen at the bottom, and then you can just like the owner of the stream can just choose which screen to present.
Yeah, Miles had to stand by all the time. So it's Miles' job.
Yeah.
You getting better, Cheryl? Are you okay now?
Yeah. I'm very okay now. Rhythm looks great, right?
Pardon?
It's rhythm. E looks great. It's pumping.
The E.
Yeah.
Ethereum. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
Looks great, but
yeah, I'm expecting it down there.
Looks great, but I don't know.
Okay, we'll discuss it. So I think we can start. Yeah. And hello everyone, I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the Crypto Market Insight session with our guest, Dylan, Jay, XL, Trace. Who are you? Hi.
It's Matt.
Hi, it's Matt. Yeah. Extra large trades.
Okay, gotcha. Extra. Why not extra? Okay, so today we are thrilled to have with us our guests who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. So, as the host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an engagement or very experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. And the live session is broadcasting on CoinW live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch, and please be free to leave your opinions or questions about market, coins, etc. in the comments, and our guests will pick up some to answer. So let's go on. Welcome, Extra L, Trace, Matt, Dylan, and Jay. Very welcome you guys to our live session. Very happy to have you here with us today. So let's dive into the market review, gainer and loser coins segmentation. So in this part, we'd like our guests to share your market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto tokens you want to talk about. Please be free to share the screen and let us to watch your charts. So who want to be the first one? Matt, Jay, or Dylan?
I don't mind going first.
Okay.
Okay. I think my screen is sharing.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's talk about Ethereum because I think a lot of people are wondering what's happening with Ethereum. And basically, right now we did get a massive breakout on ETH on the daily chart. So you can see with Ethereum, whenever we do come up to this level, we get rejected. But now that we've taken out this level, there's a possibility of us getting a larger move to the upside. So I'm looking for higher targets. But on the shorter time frame, I am looking for a pullback for Ethereum. I do think that we can come back down to retest this zone over here at around about 3,350. So this is going to be my box for ETH. If it does come back down here, it might not, but there is a possibility that we do get a retracement. So I am putting some limit orders in this box at around about 3,300 to 3,400. Within this zone is going to be my area that I want to capitalize on a long here for ETH. So that's something I'm looking at. Another coin that I'm looking at is Dogecoin. Looking to actually sell Dogecoin. I did take a little bit of a short from this area a couple days ago. So I'm still in this sell for Doge. I do think that we're going to come down to like 0.2726. There is a bearish divergence. So on the RSI, I don't really look at this, but we did break trend to the downside as well. And momentum is showing that it is decreasing with price increasing. So that creates a divergence from price to the RSI. That is also seen on the daily time frame as well. So I am expecting Dogecoin to pull back quite hard. Looking at quite a big pullback. I don't know if it's going to happen, but this is looking at like a 30% pullback for Doge. It is really overextended, so a pullback like that doesn't even affect. It doesn't really affect it much. It's just the market does need a pullback eventually. So I'm expecting quite a dump for Doge. Yeah, so we'll see what happens for that. If we go to Bitcoin, I mean, Bitcoin kind of just looking bullish, but it's starting to slow off a little bit here. We're starting to make lower lows and lower highs. So I would only really start getting more bullish once we start breaking this previous high over here at around about uh, 96.8. We need to start getting above there in order to continue going higher, because right now we're starting to create these lower highs. Okay, so we need to start breaking these highs in order to continue going up. I'm only really going to look at a long for Bitcoin if we can break above like 96.8. But until then, I'm short term bearish below this level. I know it's hard to say bearish right now, but in terms of short term, like within a week or so, I'm bearish. But overall, it's a really bullish chart for Bitcoin. Then yeah, what else is there? Solana as well. Solana is also another one I was looking for sells. And the reason why I'm looking for sells is because most coins have started to lose their uptrend, right? So this is looking very similar to what Bitcoin's looking at, right? Where we're creating lower highs now, where previously Solana was forming higher highs, right? So I'm I'm waiting for the next 4 hour candle to see if we can close below this level over here at around about 237. Then I am expecting a retracement back down for Solana. So yeah, I'm bullish on the high time frame, but it's looking like the chart is slowing down a little bit, in my opinion. So I'm going to be looking more to get some sells and then get some buys in these boxes down here, right? So I do think that we will get a better entry if you guys did miss out on like a nice throughout the last couple of weeks. I still think that there's going to be a big drop for us to accumulate. So yeah, that's what I've got for today.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Because Okay, so you think the Dogecoin will have the pullback? So what do you
Yeah,
think about uh
yeah.
so what do you
Okay.
think about Doge in the long term? Because we all know Elon Musk is really, take value on Doge.
Yeah. No, I mean, I think yeah, short term, it's healthy. It's really healthy to get a pullback to these levels. So it doesn't mean like we're not we're gonna dump or we're gonna. I'm just expecting a small down in order to continue going up. So if Doge had to come down to this level, then I would definitely buy some more because I think Doge will easily reach all-time high and eventually go to $1, which will be on the card. So we do have a mark over here for
Mm-hmm.
around $1. So I think Doge is a really good investment for a meme coin. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if it does pull back, just I would well for me I'll just accumulate some more.
Okay, got it. So, if there's you have to make a choice. You have to choose one, just one, Dodge or Solana. So, which one will you choose?
Probably Solana. Um,
Uh, okay.
just because with Solana, it has a lot more utility than Doge, and also every coin that's coming out nowadays is built on Solana. So the ecosystem's only going to get stronger, and more users are going to be using them, more transactions, more volume on the ecosystem every single day. So I think Solana has a lot more potential, whereas Doge can kind of just eventually die out. Um,
Yeah.
so yeah,
Okay. And how about XRP? Because we all know you are long in XRP.
XRP.
Yeah, XRP.
This is my favorite coin. Uh, no, because also on Twitter, I don't know if you guys know, but I think most of you know, like Elon Musk is doing X payments. So basically, you can use X payments, use crypto within Twitter, which is X, and his two coins most likely would be Dogecoin or XRP. So I think holding both of them is just really bullish, just because of that fact
Mm-hmm.
alone. But yeah, I've got targets for XRP at around about $4 to like $7. um, I'm
Wow.
I'm a little bit more bullish on XRP than most people, but I do think that it's one of the best coins out there, just because of transaction speed and it's low cost. I mean, if I send you XRP now, it will take like 0.2 seconds, and it doesn't even cost anything. So I think XRP has a lot of chance for people for mass adoption. So
Mm-hmm.
like a lot of people to start using it. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, okay. Got it. Thank you very much, Dylan. Thank you for your sharing to us.
no worries.
Okay. So, Jay, what do you think?
Wait.
Yo. What up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Think about what? XRP?
Yeah, XRP.
Shitcoin, but I love it. Shitcoin. It used to be my on cycle to 2016-17. Used to be my best coin, belong with XLM. So I still respect XRP, even like shitcoin. I don't like Brad Bradley House or something. The owner, but the coin is still good. The coin is still good. Talk about good coins. Why? Because I got narration that the coin that been sued by the SEC, the securities coin. I'm aiming all of those shit. You name it, XRP, SLM. I also long in XRP since the lower, but I already closed it. And I'm looking for entry, and we still got. Should I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a sec. Should.
Is this a drum?
Okay, shoot. Oh, not this one. I love this one. This is for later. Do you? Okay, like this one. Start from this. This is one of the coins that been sued, but by SE Voyager. It's called VGX, and there's also below like XRP, TRX, Solana, but they all is already pumping. So Your job is finding the coins that been sued by SEC and long it. Like ICP, we also got ICP. This is sued by sorry for my language, fucking Gary Gensler. And this is one of my spot, ICP. So you have to find this kind of thing, guys. The one that can make you rich, give you a lot of gain. So ICP, and what else? Filecoin. I already got my ICP, so Filecoin is also got damaged a lot by Gary Gensler. So I think let's check on Filecoin. Yeah, I saw long it from this bottom. My target was just, bam, 1618. So it's kind of crazy, guys. It's kind of crazy, 1618. So this potential like 8,000% if this thing play out. So looks like gamble, but it can play out. If XRP shitcoin can play out, XLM shitcoin still can play out. So does file and ICB, because right now the money is still in circulate with in between alts. So that's why, like, in a day you can see gaming performing, in a day you can see meme performing, and some narrative is also performing. And what else though? Oh, this is also shitcoin, but uh for the gain, I think nah. For the utility, kind of shit, but for the gain, it's not. So we got Algorand too. Algorand. Let me put it up. So look at my heat maps. We still got a lot liquidity around this $3, $4. So it's quite easy to take out this liquidity. And if I take it, how much do you think? I think this is like 1,000. Yeah, easy one. Easy at 10x. Easy at 10x. So don't sleep on algo. And what else do we got? Oh, yeah. I'm aiming this, but I still not entry because this is a Dino coin. So if you guys are an OG since cycle 2 2016-17, you might know this shit. This used to be a top 10 dash in belong with Monero, XMR, XRP, XLM. This shit coins used to be. This is all, guys. Dash is all, but all coins still can moving, guys. All coins still can moving, but the one thing that I don't like from Dash 1718, all time high, but cycle 3 1122 lower high, and this is like shit, guys. I usually don't like the coin that doing like this, but for XRP, same shit. But I think XRP is different case because with XRP is different case, blah blah blah, so much drama. But for Dash, I don't think can. It's hard for Dash to reach this top because back then there is there is less altcoin, so we got no choice, and Dash is our choice. Monero, now we got a lot of choice, so Dash as high as maybe 520, or even look at, we still got around here 520 or below, so still potential, but not. I'm not gonna aiming high for Dash, but still potential. Even around here, like 9x easily. And this one, I'm thinking this is gonna be like the next wave. Chill guy. I think I bought it. I bought it since Dex. And usually I don't play shitcoin, but when the shitcoin is good, I'm gonna play it, guys. So I think CoinW just launched it yesterday or 2 days ago, and good job, CoinW. You know the good shitcoin, which is, yeah. I'm happy you launched it. And chill guy, don't buy it now. Don't buy it now. Do you know chill guy, Cheryl? Do you know this shitcoin?
No,
This is shit going,
no.
and you should watch TikTok and love this getting viral. But the one thing I don't like, this kind of around here, the huge humongous dragonfly doji, I don't like it. So that's why, like, let it chill out, maybe get back to 1 cent, 2 cent, because we still got liquidity, heat map and liquidity around the zone. So below, I'm gonna aim below the yellow, below 3 cents. So in between 3 cent and 15 cent. So that's your buy zone for chill guy if you like shitcoin. So that's chill guy. What else do we got? for I'm not gonna talk about BTC, but I'm gonna talk about BTC a little bit. So yeah, it's look bullish. It look bullish. It, it could like hit 4K or something like that, but unless this thing break out from the .040 zone, I'm still gonna cautious because there is possibility it's gonna hit this one. So the area of interest of weekly. So this is the weekly of area interest, and still like this. And why? Because when we broke the previous higher high like this, bam, it need like 2-3 months to get out. So maybe this is the beginning because we got trend line 2 in here. Yeah, maybe this is the beginning, and maybe next month we can out. Yeah, but until then, I'm still cautious, guys. I'm not saying like it bearish, but still cautious. Like shit can still go here, or this is the bottom. So if this thing complete, we can complete the cipher, the monthly fucking cipher. And if this thing complete and it make a big candle around here, another one, uh, okay, like this, and then close in this candlestick. God damn it, guys! I'm gonna call it fucking bullish because right now, remember, guys, we cannot use the indicator volume right now because why? The ETF product, most of them they bought it from OTC, which is called stand for over the counter. So from the over the counter products, they, they cannot link with the indicator of volume. So that's why like we cannot see like Bitcoin with a lot of volume in here and cannot shown even on my heat map. But because they're doing OTC, but right now I still don't know like if they're doing OTC a lot, but it might maybe they're doing some little bit on it. But when they're done with BTC, I think they're gonna move to it, and that's when it's so bullish. And until then, if next month we can get this and close in here, that's good. That's good. So and and we not might need this candle. We just need this candle to break, like this. So there's two possibility: we break the previous monthly candle, or we break this month candle. That's it, guys.
Okay, thank you very much, Jay. Thank you for sharing to us. Okay, so I can see it. Very, very comprehensive. Thank you again. And also, we prepare some questions in the discussion part, so we can discuss that later. Okay, so Matt, hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Hi, can you hear me?
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, pretty straightforward. Bitcoin obviously still bullish. We could get pullbacks, but on the daily time frame and weekly time frame, it is bullish. You can see there is this upsloping resistance trend line which we did break, and it looks like we did try retest that, but it did get front run. I do like the size of this big candle over here. This is the daily time frame. I'm going to go over the main coins on the daily time frame. I'm looking out for this zone over here to be tested. I'm not sure when, but I think we might need a little bit more liquidity to be building up. So we might see a little bit more chopping around, people going long, going short, and we could see some big swings. But I think it's going to be a bit sideways for now. Ethereum bullish, obviously nothing bearish about just creating higher highs on the daily time frame over here. We did break this high yesterday, which is bullish. My downsloping trend line is a little bit different to D-Man's. I was going from the top of the wicks over here, and we haven't actually touched it. From my point of view, I am in a ETH long actually from 3,095. TP was at 3,700, but yeah, we're like $10 short or something like that. Yeah, we are up in this trade, and we do post these signals on the Telegram group. But let's get back into ETH, because I think ETH's looking really good at the moment. I think ETH is bullish above 3,356. This is the 50% level. Could we get a retest of that? I think we could, but I think we already retested the 50% level on this recent move over here. You can see it 3283. I do believe that the market share is going to ETH and the ETH projects such as ENS, which is going pretty parabolic at the moment, doing well. And then you got Uniswap and Chainlink and Arbitrum. These are all doing quite well. These are all on the ETH blockchain. So I do see the ETH ecosystem taking market share at the moment. It is bullish, golden cross, and I'm going to go into the 4-hour time frame just now. Solana, I am slightly hesitant on Solana, not too sure. D-Man's chart was quite similar to mine. I think we are going to test 210. So 210, it's quite a cool level in my opinion, because it was the cycle high over here. You can see we made the high over here in March. There we go, 210. And if you see the recent move from the 155 move over there when we retested these tops to the move which broke past the all-time high, the 50% level comes perfectly at 210, which lines up with this top over here. So I do see 210 being tested. I've got this box over here between 216 to like 205. I do see the 50-day EMA coming up there, and then probably some more chop, and then we'll probably see a nice wick into that zone over there. XRP also looking good. I did get into a long. D-Man did shill me XRP and I got involved. I have taken profits though. I have sold my XRP. I sold a little bit on this candle over here. I think like 101.2 or 1.1, that area over there. And I sold the last bit in this red box. The reason I sold in the red box was because on the weekly time frame, it did look like an obvious resistance with these weekly opens and closes. So we did actually tag this weekly close over there. That's why I was hesitant to hold the XRP, and that does come perfectly with the 50% level. So I just drew a box between the 50% level of this huge range. And then I looked at XRP's weekly time frame, and yes, it is bullish. It's not it is bullish, but XRP always does these huge pumps and then comes down again. So I'm thinking that we could come down again. How far? I'm not too sure. You got to look at these and see if it did line up with Bitcoin being bullish. I think here it did, and there it did as well. But I do see the cycle continuing. So I do think XRP can hit those higher targets like Dylan suggested. But I do think we could come down to 106. That's the 50% of the huge move up. I think we could come and test that. I will be buying heavily in the zone over here. USDT dominance, obviously bearish. I'm not sure if I've discussed my thoughts on this, but this pattern looks quite similar. You know, we got this support over here with this upsloping support, which we broke. Quite similar over there. We got the death cross, the 50 crossing below the 200-day EMA. And we did see a 140-day decline after that happened. So this is how I'm seeing this 140 days go. So if you measure it from the death cross, obviously on the daily time frame, let's go to the daily time frame over here. That is 140 days from when this happens to the Bitcoin top over there. And I am seeing it play out again. And that 140 days comes in at the end of March, which is the end of Q1. And that lines up quite nicely with Ethereum's quarterly returns. So Ethereum has an extremely strong Q1, which is obviously lining up with a bearish USDT dominance chart for Q1. So I am seeing an alt season play out in this time frame, and I am long on lots of altcoins at the moment. One coin that I'm looking at the moment is actually Toncoin, because Toncoin is about to get its golden cross. That's the 50 crossing above the 200. And there are some bots which trade this. And often when this happens, you do see it get a bit of a bid. And it did close yesterday above the 50% level. And that's at 6.36. That 50% level is from the Ton all-time high to that recent low created from the, I think I'm not sure when this was, maybe the CEO being arrested kind of FUD. But I'm seeing Ton break through all-time highs of this cycle, and a good beta play is actually Notcoin. Notcoin is catching a bit more of a bid over here. I am seeing this also go break past all-time highs of this cycle. So I just bought some Notcoin spots today, because I do think Ton is going to get the pump and some market share is going to go into this. I do see this coming up to that $8.30 relatively soon. What else did I want to speak about? There are quite a few coins that are doing well at the moment. ENS I did speak about earlier. And it's those coins on the ETH blockchain which are performing. at the moment. I just want to go to the 4-hourly time frame because this is my thoughts on Bitcoin on the short-term time frames. It's kind of stuck at the moment. There's this 50% level from the recent move, and that's coming in at 95,300, and it is kind of wrestling with that move over there. It has also come above the 25 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. The reason I like this EMA is because it has held up price over here, support, 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 support. And yeah, we lost it here, support. But we're gonna have to see how it's, it is support at the moment. It is above. There is this trend line over here which it has broken down. So I am personally short on Bitcoin. I think my average entry is probably around here. I got into the shorts on, I think it dumped and came up. So I opened my short over here at about 95, and then I opened the short again at 95.8 limit order. It did come above there. My stop loss is above. My stop loss is at all-time highs, but the reason I'm doing this is simply for a hedge. So I'm basically long altcoins, shorts Bitcoin. So because I do see Bitcoin dominance coming down. My target for the Bitcoin short is underneath this wick over here. I think there's quite a lot of liquidity built up in this section over here, and also the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame also comes into the zone over here. So I am seeing a move into there. What will confirm that will be some more price action and 4-hour candle closes below this 94,800. I mean 94, yeah, below 94,800, below the EMAs. When they start angling down, there is going to be a lot of downward pressure, and I do see this low breaking, and I do see us coming straight down to the zone over here. Obviously, it'll affect the whole market, so you will see Ethereum most likely come down as well. But Ethereum is bullish above 3,350, in my opinion. Could we come down and test the EMAs? Yes, we can if Bitcoin does break down there. But look at this. Ethereum had this upsloping resistance. We did break it, tested as support. Are we going to push through here or not? I'm not too sure. We're going to have to wait and see. But I am still in that long. TP is at 3.7. Yeah, I can't believe it fell $10 short, but that is what it is. What else is interesting? At the moment, I'm kind of just sitting on my hands because there's quite a bit of news coming out. Looks like the market's just kind of choppy. But yeah, I think Toncoin is one to have a watch here, in my opinion. And I think maybe some gaming narratives over here. I haven't looked too far into it, but I think there could be a little rotation into some gaming. See a gaming pump. I haven't seen one in a while. I'm not too sure on that, but we'll have to wait and see. But for now, I'm going to be waiting for the monthly and weekly close before playing around with my portfolio. But that's what I got for now.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Matt. I want to ask a question. You mentioned about your now altcoin and short Bitcoin. So do you think the altcoin season will come soon?
Yeah, let me actually share my screen again.
Yeah.
I do see altcoin season coming soon. With this USDT dominance chart again, this is showing that I think there's going to be USDT dominance collapsing, and I don't see people flooding into Bitcoin. One reason I tell you that is if you look at the MicroStrategy chart, I've been looking at this and following this. I called here, I think before Bitcoin broke out, I called here, but MicroStrategy is breaking past its cycle high over here, and I think Bitcoin is going to follow suit. So we did see it break out, and it just continued, and Bitcoin did eventually follow suit. But one thing I really do not like about MicroStrategy is this candle. This has to be one of the worst daily candles I've seen, and there wasn't really a push back afterwards. We actually came underneath there. So I don't really like the look of this for MicroStrategy. Obviously, their strategy is to accumulate Bitcoin on some kind of leverage. I'm not exactly entirely sure exactly what the strategy is, but in my opinion, this is not the candle you want to see. So this is a bit of a red flag for Bitcoin for me. Coinbase didn't get that hammered that day, and looks like it is fighting. So I'm seeing Coinbase hold up. MicroStrategy, I think they got attacked or something like that. But this is not really what you want to see. And I do see this maybe happening with Bitcoin. And if you look at Bitcoin dominance, we have created a lower low over here. We do need confirmation My confirmation is if we get below 57.21. I'm personally front running this. I think we are going to get below 57.21. And the reason I have that level marked out is because that's the low over here. And I think this could look like one big deviation. And if we start closing candles below there and below the 200-day EMA, then I think it is game on for altcoins. And that is lining up with, so this falling below 57.32, alt season and ETH, because alts run with ETH. So if ETH has a very bullish quarter 1 and this lines up with this, then to me, the stars are aligning here for a big altcoin pump. Total 3 is also looking good. We haven't broken past the all-time high over there, but we have broken out. We did clear this high over here, basically tested it as supports. And yeah, I think it's looking pretty bullish. I think the markets are looking bullish. But, we could easily get a little pause or something with December. But I am looking at quarter 1 to be bullish. Could we get pullbacks for the rest of the year? I'm sure we can. It is possible. But quarter 1, I'm looking to be quite bullish, and I'm actually preparing now for that, whether or not we get a dump. I think, yeah, if for me, it's more about buying the dip than shorting.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Matt. And also, we see one question from our comment area. It's about the meme coin peanut. So the audience wanted to ask, he is very curious about whether peanut will reach out to 2.
We'll reach 2.
Yeah. What do you think?
2. Here.
2.
$2.
2. Yeah.
Okay, let me pull up a bit more of a chart. I'm not the biggest meme coin trader. I find them to be very volatile. I did buy some fun guy though, believe it or not. I don't know, very speculative, of
Chill
course.
guy.
Peanut.
Fun.
I did actually get some chill guy. Look at that. I don't know if this is a scam wick or whatever, but let's go to Peanut again. Peanut obviously pumped. I didn't get into Peanut, unfortunately. I just wanted to find a chart that has some price action. Okay, none of them really have any price action. Okay, that's fine. I'll go with this one. Will it hit $2? Maybe. Yeah, maybe. It might hit $2. I mean, it's like 100% move from here. $2. It's all, I don't know. It doesn't really make sense in my mind. But if you look at this huge wick over here, this is the 50% of the wick. I mean, not the wick, the body. When you get a big body, you often get a 50% fill because this isn't an inefficient move. Markets don't like inefficiency. And we have been in a downtrend for 2 weeks now. So this could be the bottom. This could easily be the bottom. So we put this on the 4-hour time frame, and we can maybe look for some bullish divergence. There we go. A little bit of bullish divergence as well. Obviously creating lower lows here and higher lows in RSI. I might go buy some peanuts. I might go buy some peanut after this. Why not, right? We're at that point where, if you've got some spare capital, we may as well risk it because we have been taking profits. But yeah, peanut to $2. I'm going to go with the yes. Big yes.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Matt. So Jay, I wanted to hear your opinions about some meme coin because recently meme coin is so hot. So what do you think about? Yeah.
You know me, I don't play shitcoin.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But I tried to long peanut and fuck it, I just got stop loss. But I know share my screen. I just got stop loss stupid peanut. But I'm waiting for CoinW to launch in peanut. I think in a couple days they're gonna launch peanut and I'm gonna fucking bomb peanut to be honest. Because
Peanut is on CoinW.
On my tracks, there's still volume on peanut. Yeah, it is. I think they're gonna launching the derivative, right? Did they? Yet? They're gonna do it on derivative, so I can do leverage on peanut. So this is my peanut. So stupid fucking peanut. Where is my peanut? Peanut. Where's my peanut? Oh, this is stupid stop loss. Just a little bit touch. Fucking shit. Just a little bit touch. But I'm aiming to entry because look at this on 4 hour. Look at the sloping down fucking trend line from this top. Bam, 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 bam. It's almost reached the top. And this is a falling wedge. I know this is high risk, guys, because the poison of falling wedge, they're gonna keep falling until it reaches the bottom. So it might here, but for $2, look, shit, man, look at my target, fucking easily. Look at my target is 3.4. No, $2. Come on, guys. This is shit coin. Don't aim small gains for shit coin. Don't aim small gains for shit coin. This could be more, guys. I'm gonna show you they still accumulate. Let me open on my other chart. So on peanut, my but you can wait the confirmation until they break this thing. But it's still kind of dangerous because and right now I don't see a confirmation yet from candlestick because the candlestick, look at that, guys. So many weeks. This is looks like cartel. Look at weeks up, weeks down, weeks up, weeks down. All I want is on the daily. So if can break this orange line, 1.1689. If this thing can happen, oh, I'm gonna fucking in again. But until then, still not confirmation. Might falling to here. So who knows? Who knows? Let's check the volumes. Am I in yet? Give me a sec. Give me a sec. So you guys can rest assured we still got volume on peanut and one shit coin ACT, the AI coin. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
think they
also
got the
wanted
AI
to.
coin. So let's
I,
ACT.
I also wanna. Yeah, ACT
Yep.
and also Leicester.
Yeah, it's still being accumulated by the whales on the weekly. Yeah, let's do on the big time frame. Scanning peanut ACT, and they also got some shit from Biden's. It called usual. I think I talked it last week, and today is pumping, but not so much. Pressing data, come on. So ACT, this one, right? ACT. I'm also aiming ACT, but still waiting for confirmation for ACT. Yeah. No. Let's use Maxi. Yeah, better. See? Still thinking it's gonna be falling. We have to cover it half, So for me, if we bounce from above we keep falling, that's not good. That's not good. So let's go check. Do we still got any? Sorry, kind of like see, we still got delta volume on peanut. Around the bid is around 2.467. So look at that. So $2. So for peanut, yeah. The bid is around here, and ACT we still got it too. So yeah, I think they still can pump. That's it.
Okay. Oh, you open on camera. Thank you very much, Jay.
Oh
Also, I wanted to
no,
ask
yeah.
the Leicester. Do you know that meme coin?
Who? Les? Can you spell it for
Le,
me? The
le,
tickers.
yeah, sure.
L
LESES
L
S
S. Lester. This
T
one.
E. Yeah.
Litecoin mascot.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah. Yeah, Litecoin
No.
mascot.
No. It looked like fucking hamster. To be honest, the chart looked like hamster. Uh, Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this. Check. And we got the sloping right here. Look at the sloping right here. So what if coming back here? But in crypto, sometimes they don't retest and they may we never know in crypto. So we never know in crypto. Maybe they can do this and then like grinding around here, come back.
Yeah.
They do it all the time. Like XRP and some shitcoin, they do it all the time. So still possibility they up or retest lower here. So for me, no. I don't know this coin to be honest.
Yeah,
How
yeah,
do
I
you
know,
know
I
it?
know that. Yeah, I know
How
that. I
come?
know that.
This is
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. Got it, got it. Thank you very much, Jay. Okay, so we still have two questions about Ethereum. I think a lot of people really, really curious about what's will Ethereum going on the next step. So just let me share my screen. Uh, Okay, so actually, I think the question two and question three kind of the same question because it's analysis the ETH. So I think we are gonna to combine the two to one. So the question two is during this pullback, E has maintained relative strength, which seems different from the past behavior. And do you guys think this could be a sign of capital rotation? And also, we can see the ETH push toward 3,500, and we've noticed many VC-backed tokens starting to rally in sync. So does this suggest that ETH has become the benchmark for these tokens? And should traders consider ETH cycles when trading VC tokens? So what do you guys think?
I can go.
Um,
Oh, go ahead, man.
yeah, I mean, I think ETH is looking good. I think a lot of people are starting to look at ETH and rotate from Bitcoin into ETH since Bitcoin is basically at 100K. It's a psychological number, and I think it was a number where a lot of people are wanting to offload their Bitcoin. If that's for Ethereum or not, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin is like 5% away from 100K, so I like no one wants to buy the top, right? Investors are sick of buying the top. I'm not saying the top is in for Bitcoin, but I'm saying it's more likely to be in than ETH, if you know what I mean. And I think a lot of people are looking at ETH and seeing, okay, well, it does look cheaper than Bitcoin because Bitcoin's at 100K. No one, I don't think anyone wants to buy a Bitcoin above 100K unless we get a serious pump. So I think that is why people are looking at Ethereum and retail traders are looking at Ethereum. And I think going back to what I said about how Ethereum quarter ones are extremely bullish. I think a lot of people are seeing that and have noticed that, and they are preparing their bags now for that. Yeah, that's my opinion on ETH. I do see capital rotation, and I do see ETH taking up market share. I don't have too much of an opinion on the VCs and whatnot. I'm not too sure about the
Yeah,
VCs, but
yeah.
I don't know. I think there are a lot of strong projects with good fundamentals still built on the Ethereum blockchain, which I do think are going to be recognized. That being ENS, Chainlink, Optimism, etc. I know they've been lagging, of course, and I think people are seeing them as still in a decent zone to be accumulating. So I do see the capital being rotated that way.
Mhm. Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Matt. So, still bullish on E. So, Jay, what do you think about these two questions? I remembered, you said, right now the Ethereum is just warm up. So,
Yeah,
what do you
it
think
is.
about E in the future?
Yeah, it is just warm up, and I'm agree with that because I don't buy any Bitcoin. I short Bitcoin and I long it. That's kind of weird. I short Bitcoin and I long it because it's still cheap, and like I told you, told you guys 2 3 weeks ago, it should be a sign with Bitcoin. Let's say like in in previous cycle, if it is on 1,000, so Bitcoin price equally have to be like around 10K something. Not exactly the same. In at the end maybe like different, but and the first digit is always the same. So if we match that up, it still can potential to go another 6K to match up with the Bitcoin right now, right? So another 6K, so 9K, Bitcoin 95. So used to be like that, guys. Used to be like that from the previous cycle. So if you guys so it yeah, I think it could be because I'm also launching some ENS. I think I launch my ENS is jackpot, and I also launching Egan layer, Filecoin also it, guys. So talking about it, when it pump, you just find all the ecosystem inside it. You name it, even meme, gaming on it, you got a lot of gaming on it. Like you got Mana, Sans, Gala Games, and what else you got? So and many more. And you just and meme. You got Pepe, you got Shiba, and you got Nero, and what else? So if it pump, all the ecosystem gonna pump, guys. All the so that's why like I'm also longing file, and for the VC, I'm not really interested with the VC token, guys, but it's good. It's good. They got Chainlink, they got Dot, they got Solana, they got Uniswap. So from all of those, I think I'm gonna pick Uniswap rather than Sol. I think Sol is it's expensive right now, guys. When the BNB crashed, I think I bought it around 8. So right now 200. Nah, I'm not gonna buy it. I think I'm gonna. If you guys want to be FOMO on Sol, better wait until the next bear market, and then you bought it cheap, maybe around 100 or maybe if possible around like 200 something ish. But right now, I'm not recommend you guys to buy Sol. Nah, not Sol for now. And but for Uni and Phil is still potential with love gain for physics tokens. So yeah, maybe you can buy that.
Okay, got it. I wanna ask one question about Ethereum related to the political. So, um, because we all know the price will affected by the political thing, right? So,
Mhm.
and also we all know Ethereum is price is dominated led by Russians. But will the US allow something dominated by Russians rather than US to become the mainstream, or allow more and more and more money to flow into ETH?
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen and show my face to for you guys to see me my serious face. For it, yeah. Share screen. Hold on. Okay, so there's a difference with it pump. Share screen, please. Mouse. Okay, so that's why in the beginning I've been show you guys the chart. I think for over like 3 months something since here, and Cheryl, you talking about political, right? About the Russian war with playing nuclear. So, if crypto don't want to done, so it have to play out. So the difference between it and Bitcoin, if Bitcoin pump, it can be screwed by other stuff like SPY, fakes, fakes and DXY. But for it, if it lead the way, I don't think it can be screwed by this kind of thing, because the only thing that can screw Bitcoin is SPY. But if it perform alone, it is going to carry Bitcoin. You got what I mean? So if it perform, that's why like I've been talk to you guys like it BTC have to be perform. So we don't care about every news, every aspect. When it do that, so Bitcoin gonna be carry, all the altcoin gonna be carry. That's why like in this cycle is so important, guys, because everyone is focused on Solana, right? Playing shitcoin, playing meme coin, but they don't focus on it. I mean, like if you want to get your alt season, BTC have to be performed, guys. BTC have to break out. If BTC cannot break out, so I don't think you got the altcoin. That's why, like, if this thing can be break around .04, yeah. And I don't think if it break out, the news it won't affect it. It won't affect the news like war something like that. So it's gonna be fine. Maybe if Bitcoin dump a little bit, while it BTC still strong, maybe it can affect a little bit. But when it BTC is too strong, too parabolic, it won't affect. It won't affect even like the high impact news. That's why like, I don't play high impact news last night. So yeah, that's my question.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much, Jay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Very clear. So Matt, what do you think? Are you agree with Jay? I don't remember Matt or Dylan. So
Yeah, I agree. I agree with Jay what he's saying,
okay.
and what Matt was saying. I do think that money has rotated into ETH. You can clearly see that with Bitcoin slowing down and Ethereum getting a massive run up.
Mm-hmm.
And also, like what Jay was saying, all the ecosystem coins like Filecoin, Uni, Arbitrum, all these coins are going to do well if ETH does well. So I also think like Filecoin now. I mean, I've been speaking about Filecoin as one of my lives, and I also think it's a really good entry. It's one of those ones that can easily 10 to 20x just from the current price, even more. What Jay's chart was showing. It could just be one of those ones that just does really well, and you don't put too much into it. But yeah, I do agree. I think money is flowing into ETH. I think quarter 1 is going to be good for ETH. Looking at Matt's data as well. Yeah, I think there will be a pullback at some stage. Then people are going to get scared, but that is when you should be looking to accumulate. I think right now, for a lot of people looking at spots, it's just you kind of have to sit on your hands and just wait for the next pullback.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Thank you very much, Dylan, Jay, and Matt answered the questions. Okay, so let me see whether we have some questions from the comment area. Uh, nope. So Jay, Dylan, and Matt, would you like to add something up here?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, thanks for having us on again.
Yeah, all good. Thanks so much for having us.
Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. And today's live stream is very important for our audiences, especially under this market. And please be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and our esteemed guest. You can follow their Twitter account as we'll continue to share the valuable insights on the world of crypto. And please, guys, stay safe and take care about your spot. Good luck, everyone. And I'd like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today again. Take care and see you next Thursday. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.
Cheers.
Bye
Thanks so
bye.
much.
Bye bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, guys.
Bye.